This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by LindaMcDonald. Beautifully remodeled end unit overlooking the neighborhood pool and 16th fairway in Bellavista. Lots of windows for the sun to shine throughout this open floor plan condo with 3 bedrooms plus den. No stairs to climb, has elevator. Steps away from the Bellavista pool and spa. 2-car garage undercover in center of building. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda McDonald at 239-466-9905.